So today I'm going to make some corned beef hash. I've got canned corned beef, some fire roasted diced tomatoes, an onion, and 4 potatoes. I'm going to cook the potatoes in the microwave. I have a baked potato setting on my microwave, but if you don't have that, you can just put them in there for like 3 minutes and then check them to see if they're done. Alright. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is cut up this onion. I currently have the potatoes in the microwave. I've rinsed them off. You've got to rinse them off and scrub them. Get all the excess exterior dirt off and then put them in the microwave. So I'm peeling the onions. I'm going to chop them up. This is a very easy dish to make. I love corned beef hash. But the trouble of boiling the potatoes, you know, and cutting them up is such a pain. And then I figured out this way to do it. So I'm too happy about it. Okay. Just going to dice the tomatoes. Okay, so that's done. So I'm going to open the corned beef. And for years I was just doing it like this, and one day I actually read the directions. You've got to take it off and you've got to turn it upside down and then turn it clockwise. And it's so much easier. Okay, so this is ready. Let's go over to the stove. Okay, so I'm going to put some olive oil in the pan. Put it on medium. I guess about 2 tablespoons. So when that heats up, I'm going to put the onion in there. Okay, let me put this onion in now that oil's heated up. Okay, and when that's cooked down a little bit, I'm going to be putting the corned beef in there and some seasoning. Okay, I've taken the potatoes out and I've just set them here so they can cool off a bit because they'll burn your hands if you try to cut them and dice them up. So I'm going to put the corned beef in there now. Smush it up a bit, get it into small pieces. At this point I've got the fire on low because I'm going to put some seasoning here and I just want all the seasoning to marry each other. Okay, so let's do the potatoes first. So we're going to cut the potatoes in half. Then I'm going to cut it all the way down, but not through the skin. I'm going to cut it like into squares. Okay. And then I'm just going to scoop them into the pan. That way you don't have to boil the potatoes, it's a lot easier to do. Oops, I'm just butterfingers this morning. Alright. Just trying to scoop it out the skin. Okay, I'm going to finish putting all the potatoes in there and then I'll come back, okay? Okay, so I have all the potatoes in there and I'm going to put half the can of this, oops, I guess I opened it too much, half a can of these diced tomatoes in here. Not much, just give it a little flavour. Okay, it's probably about half a can. Alright, so on top of that I'm going to put some black pepper. Quite a bit of black pepper. Where's my garlic? Put that much garlic. Actually, I'll put a bit more. Put some thyme in there. Not that much thyme. And then a bit of cayenne red pepper. Love my spicy food. I'm not putting that in my hand, just a little bit. Alright. I'm going to put a drop of salt in there. Very much salt. I'm going to stir this all around, mix it up. Corned beef hash is a really good English breakfast with some eggs, with some toast, buttered toast. I used to eat this with. Okay, so fire is still on low. like it's on a simmer. Okay, I'm just going to leave it alone for a little bit and let everything marry. Okay, put a cover on it and let it steam a little bit too. Alright, back in about 10 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, the corned beef hash is finished. I didn't need to add anything else to it, just let it steam for about 10 to 15 minutes. And it's quite tasty. So try it out and tell me what you think. Bye.